Hi everyone, I'm Rich, welcome back to BB's Customs. Today is Take the Engine Out Day. It is absolutely boiling out here today. It's my car on the way home today read it was 35 degrees. I have no shade, so it's going to be a hot one. I'm not going to talk very much, it's just going to be cracking on and getting it done. Oh, that was a close one. I forgot to take the side stand off. But the engine's out, covers are off. I think I'll probably do the internal works of the engine tomorrow. Tonight I'm going to wash my hands up and I'm going to start cleaning up the rocker cover and the two side covers, because I think I'm going to polish them to make them nice and shiny. So yeah, we'll start degreasing as well, and then hopefully tomorrow we can finish it off. Okay, so I've now got all of this on my kitchen floor because there's meant to be a thunderstorm tonight after all this heat. So I thought it best to keep it in the house. I've taken the rocker cover off the top, so that's the rocker cover there. This is the clutch cover, and this is the signal generator and points cover. There, these are the tops of the left and right cylinders. Underneath those are the rockers. You can just see a spring here and here. This bit in the middle is the cam chain, and this black bit at the back is the cam chain tensioner. All of that needs to come out, and then once that's off, these 8 bolts on the top here, those are what are holding the head on. So once that's all off, I can take the head of the engine off, clean up where the gasket sits, put the new head gasket in, and start the rebuild. So hopefully it shouldn't take me too long to get this all back together again. The longest part's probably going to be the cleaning and the painting. Okay guys, I am going to call it a day on this video. I'll start up another one tomorrow of the whole cleaning down process, the painting and sorting the gaskets out and rebuilding. So you will get to see all of that. So I may upload it early, depends how I'm feeling. I might just keep it as one in the bank for next week to give me a bit of extra time. So thanks again for tuning in. Again, it's great for all the support which I've been getting. You guys are really giving me the confidence to just keep on going with this rather than just crack on and do the bike. Because for those of you who don't make these videos, making the video is easy. It's the putting it all together and getting it ready to put onto the computer. It takes just as long, if not more, than actually doing the work on the bike. So thanks very much for your time, and I shall see you next time. Cheers.